Hello students, once again welcome back to online tutorials, another session of creative writing. In my last video, I told you how to write an advertisement. In the board exam, in the writing section, the first question is either an advertisement or a notice. There is a choice between the two. It carries 4 marks. So advertisement we have done. Today I am going to do notice writing. Now, good way of notice writing. Important tips on notice writing, format of notice writing, body of notice writing, examples and notes. These are the points that I am going to cover in today's video. First of all, how to write a notice. Writing an effective notice is an art that can be acquired with practice. You all must have heard practice makes a man perfect. So if you practice, you can be an expert in writing a notice. You have to keep some basic points in mind while writing a notice. Your notice should give complete information. It should be written in a clear and lucid style. Lucid again, very clear. In a simple and understandable language. Your language should be such that anybody can understand. Now, what should a notice contain? First of all, name of the issuing organization. Which organization is issuing a notice? Date of issuing a notice. The heading notice to make it very clear. Notice, remember students, has to be written in all capital letters. Then an eye-catching caption is to be written. First letter of every word when you write the caption has to be capital. The purpose of writing the notice, why we are issuing the notice, details of schedule, that is date, time, venue and program duration. We have to give all these details while writing a notice. Now it means the points that we have to remember while writing a notice are date, time, venue, agenda or purpose, who is to attend, specific instruction, contact person or address. Now this is the format of the notice. This is the issuing authority. This is date. This is the word notice. After notice, we have to write a catchy heading. After writing the catchy heading, we have to give the body of the notice. Body contains reason for writing the notice, relevant event and occasion information, information about date, time, venue. It can be mentioned in bold also. After you write this, first you have to put your signature. Then you have to write your name and then designation. Now see, we talked about body of the notice. What does body of the notice contain? I said reason. Why? That is the purpose. What? That is the event. Whether it's a competition or it's regarding sports or what. When? That is date. Where? That is venue. Whom means who are to be invited or who are to attend the notice. Then end your notice with your signature, name and designation. Now, various topics on which notice can be written. Cultural or sports. These include dance, quiz, music, singing. Then exhibitions, tours, picnics, camps. Then if you have lost something or found something, lost and found. Then students' activity. Any activity like in schools these days we conduct co-curricular activities. Regarding any activity we can write. Then clubs, society, housing, colony. It's not only that the notice can be written in the school, it can be written in the residential areas where there are housing societies, colonies. If something is to be done, repair work is to be done, some activity is to be held, then we can write. And then we can appeal also through notice. Suppose there is some natural calamity, like these days you must have heard, when in the wake of COVID-19 some organizations are helping the poor people and they make an appeal to donate generously. That is an appeal. Now this is the sample notice. ABC School, that is the issuing organization. Notice, date, this is the heading, inter-school singing competition. Inter-school, I is capital, singing S is capital, competition C is capital. This is to inform the students of classes 9 to 12 that the school is organizing an inter-school singing competition on 20 April 2020. As many as 15 schools are participating. The students who are interested to participate can give their names to their respective class teachers, latest by 15 April. No name will be accepted after that. The auditions will be held on 17 April at 11 a.m. in the school auditorium. Now this is the notice, sample notice. Here your signature, your name, your designation. Now this is the task. I am sure you must have understood how to write an effective notice, because you have been writing notice since your 8th or 9th class. Now the task is, you are secretary of the English Literary Association of Tagore Memorial School, Patna. Draft a notice for the notice board inviting names of those who would like to participate in the inter-house debate competition. This notice you have to remember, students, remember one thing, the notice has to be written in a box, because this has to be put up on the notice board with 4 thumb tags. Because when we put it on the notice board, we put up pins to get it stuck to the soft board. So this task you have to done, you have to do this notice, you have to write in your notebooks or the loose sheets. I'm sure you shall be able to write this, because you must have been writing the notice for the past few years, right? Thank you.